Rahul was a hard-working boy in the village. He was always occupied with some work and hardly had time for anything else. He was known for his diligence, but also for always being short on time. One day, an old man known for his wisdom and storytelling skills visited the village. Everyone in the village gathered to listen to his stories, including Rahul. Under the banyan tree, the old man started to tell a story. He told about a king who asked his minister about the most valuable resource in his kingdom. The minister replied, "Time, Majesty." The king was surprised and asked why. The minister explained, "Once time is gone, it never comes back. Therefore, we should make the most of every moment." The king understood and explained the importance of time to everyone in his kingdom. As the old man ended the story, Rahul was deep in thought. He realized how precious time is and how he had been mismanaging it.